So in our previous video, we made this application. Now let's learn how to deal with image in Flutter. So for that, I have an image. This is a Pokemon Snorlax. So I'm going to use this image. Just copy it. Go to your YouTube, your folder. Then make a new folder. Assets. Now inside asset, make a folder. img image. Then inside image, paste your file. So now you can see here there is assets, then image or image Snorlax. So I need image here. So let me give a height to it. Now to use the image in your application, you need image. Sorry, the issue was like folder name asset and assets. So we need to give assets. Now it's gone. So to import image, we need to do image.asset, asset, then path. So after that, let's restart our application. It's not showing here. There is some issue. So since I have a cache issue in my browser, I need to run cache clean every time I launch. So I think, and it will not be an issue in your application, or it will not be a problem in live device. So we have image here, but it's too big. Let's give it a width and height, and for that width, I think 250. Then height 250. Now let's reload it. Now it's better, but we need our image to be in center. So for that, click here image, then in this light bulb, wrap with center. Now reload it. Go to your browser. It's in center. Also, if we need to center this as well, Flutter tutorials. So inside this app bar, center title, true. Now reload it. It's on center. So this is the. So let's change this hello world to Pokemon name, and that is Snorlax. Snorlax. Let's reload it. So this is it. So congratulations, you have just made your first app on Flutter.